Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a factory produces 900 balls every month. It sends 159 balls to the town market, 158 balls to the markets in other states, and 188 to the markets in other countries. How many balls are left in the factory? Firstly, total number of balls are 900 balls are there. Then number of balls sent to town market are 159 balls. Okay. Then number of balls sent to other states, means markets in other states, are 158 balls, and number of balls sent to market in other countries are 188 balls. So, total number of balls sent are 159 plus 158 plus 188. So, there are 505 balls sent. Hence, number of balls left are total number of balls minus number of balls which are sent. So, it is 505. So, the subtraction of this will be 395. That is 395 balls are left in the factory. So our correct option is option C.